Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. So guys, as you all know, Wandin Ndlovu recently had her BBL. It's not even recent, guys, she started with the BBL. She looked so great, but she kept on going and going, and this is the recent video that she posted on Facebook. Yo guys, you should have seen the comments. You should have seen the comments. Hi, it's really going down. Like, your people are just not so happy. They are coming for the BBL, guys, and they are saying, "Good girl, no, Manje, it's too much. You started off well, but we don't understand what's like opening now. What is happening now? What you look like you are carrying grocery plastics. It looks so big and so heavy, it's not giving anymore. Like, it's really not giving. But whoever said her body is tea, meaning the body is not, like at first, guys, and it was nice, but yeah, each to their own. If Yana, she likes it like this, then who are we to judge?